Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English past question. Test of oral. Question number 5. We are still using the same instruction to answer this question, which says we should look out for the word among the options that contains the same sound, the same vowel sound as in the given word. The given word here is learn. Learn. Learn is transcribed as N. So that is the international phonetic transcription. So option A, we have card. So it is a sound that is there, card. And what we have there is long a. Take note of that. The option B, we have death. It is pronounced as death. The elongation of this word is dirty. So but what we have here is death. So and it is transcribed as this, death. Then the option C, we have friend. Very easy, as the word implies, because when we talk of transcription or oral English, it has to do with speaking in English. Then letter option D, we have N. The way it is spelled, that is the way it is transcribed, direct N. The option E, we have say. It is transcribed as this, say. In some way you can say snare, and so on and so forth. So it has double transcription. So if you look very well, option B has the same vowel sound as in the given word, E, E, R. The I, R represent the same vowel sound. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.